In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Excel. To start, open your Excel workbook and head to the sheet where your data is stored. Make sure your data is arranged in clear columns, with headers at the top of each column like date, product, or amount. Having proper headers isn't just for looks. Excel uses them to label and manage your table. So double-check for spelling and remove any completely blank columns or rows in the middle of your data. Next, highlight the entire range of data you want to turn into a table. You can do this by clicking and dragging from the top left cell of your data down to the bottom right cell. If your data set is large, click the first cell, then hold down Shift and click the last cell. Make sure you're only selecting the area that actually contains data and the headers. With your data selected, go to the ribbon at the top and click on the Insert tab. Inside this tab, look for the option labeled Table and click it. Excel will open a small Create Table window. Here, you'll see the range you just selected listed in the box. Take a quick moment to confirm it matches the area you meant to select. Just below that, you'll see a checkbox that says, My table has headers. If the first row of your selection contains your column titles, which it usually should, make sure this box is checked so Excel treats that row as headers and not as regular data. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Your data will instantly be converted into an Excel table. You'll notice a new style applied, with filters added to each header. These small drop-down arrows in the header row let you sort and filter your information quickly. For example, you can sort dates from newest to oldest, or filter to show only a specific product. With the table selected, you'll also see Table Design, or a similar option, depending on your Excel version, appear in the ribbon. Here you can rename your table to something meaningful, like Sales Table, which can be very helpful when building formulas. You can also change the table style, turning banded rows on or off, or choosing different colors for better readability. Remember, one of the biggest advantages of using a table is that when you add new rows directly below the table, Excel will automatically expand it and apply the same formatting and formulas. This keeps your data consistent and saves a lot of time as your list grows. And that's all you need to create a functional, well-structured table in Excel.